Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini inside Google Docs. But before anything else, you need to understand this first. You need to pay and subscribe before you can actually use Gemini in Google Docs properly. This is really important. A lot of people think it's completely free, but it's not. In most cases, Gemini inside Google Docs is a premium feature, which means you need a Google AI Pro plan or Google Workspace subscription that includes Gemini. Without that, you might not even see the feature. So, if you're planning to use it seriously for writing, editing, or content creation, you should expect to subscribe first. And to use it once you're subscribed, simply go ahead and open Google Docs like you normally would. And once you're inside your document, look at the top right corner or toolbar, and you should see a Gemini icon right over here, this one, or maybe a help me write option. So that's your built-in AI assistant. And once you click this from here, you can type prompts like write an introduction, summarize this paragraph, or rewrite this in a more professional tone, and Gemini will instantly generate or improve your text right inside your document. You can also use it to brainstorm ideas, fix grammar, shorten long content, or change the tone depending on what you need. It is basically like having an AI writing assistant directly inside Google Docs, which makes everything faster and easier. So just remember, the key step before anything else is getting access through a paid subscription. Once you have that, using Gemini in Google Docs is super simple and very powerful. That's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.